As you walk through the rain, allow yourself to fully experience the rain, rather than judging the experience negatively or trying to avoid the rain. Notice the feel of the rain against your skin. Is it cold or warm? Does it softly touch your skin, or does it sting with the force of the raindrop? Listen to the rain as it hits the ground and other objects around you. Can you hear different tones as the rain hits these different objects? Can you smell the rain? What does it smell like? As you get wet from the rain, notice the feel of your clothes against your skin. Notice the wetness and the temperature of your clothes. Do your clothes smell any different as they get wet? Do they feel any different? If you feel uncomfortable in the wet clothes, let yourself just be with the sensation without critiquing or judging it. Just experience the sensation of the wetness. As you let yourself be with the sensation, does your experience of it change? What does it feel like? Allow yourself to tolerate the discomfort. Continue to notice the changing sensations of the rain as you walk through it. And notice your experience with each of these sensations.